Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. Welcome to Rene Energy's YouTube channel. Today, we delve into the integration of hydrogen fuel cell technology in the heavy trucking industry, exploring its evolution, key industry players, and the challenges faced. We'll highlight the endeavors of major manufacturers like Nikola, Toyota, Hyundai, and Daimler, among others. In recent years, as the clamor for sustainable energy solutions has become more pronounced, hydrogen fuel cell technology has emerged as a promising contender in the vehicular sector. While the automobile industry has witnessed significant advancements in electric vehicles, there's a parallel narrative unfolding, one that involves the trucking industry's exploration of hydrogen as a clean, efficient, and sustainable fuel source. This video seeks to delve into the fundamentals of hydrogen fuel cell technology and provide an overview of its burgeoning influence on the trucking sector. Background on hydrogen fuel cell technology. Hydrogen fuel cells, at their essence, represent an innovative means of generating electricity. Rather than relying on combustion, these cells produce electricity through an electrochemical reaction, wherein hydrogen and oxygen combine to generate water, a process that releases energy in the form of electricity. This transformative process has been around for over a century, with its first practical application being developed in the 1960s for NASA's space programs. Several factors make hydrogen fuel cells particularly appealing for vehicular applications. Firstly, they offer zero emissions at the point of use, with the only byproduct being water vapor. Secondly, they possess a high energy density, which allows for longer driving ranges compared to traditional batteries. Lastly, refueling a hydrogen cell is relatively quick, similar in time to filling up a gasoline tank. These advantages position hydrogen fuel cells as a potent alternative to conventional fuels, especially in applications where weight and refueling time are critical factors. Overview of the trucking industry's shift to sustainability. The trucking industry, a backbone of global commerce, has historically been a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions due to its reliance on diesel fuel. With tightening environmental regulations and increasing public consciousness about climate change, there's a growing impetus for the industry to seek cleaner alternatives. Electric trucks, particularly those powered by batteries, have been an initial step towards sustainability. However, they come with their set of challenges, such as limited range and lengthy charging times. Enter hydrogen fuel cells, which address some of these limitations. For long-haul routes and heavy loads, hydrogen-powered trucks are gaining traction as a viable solution that combines sustainability with the operational efficiency that the trucking industry requires. Several major truck manufacturers and startups alike are investing heavily in research, development, and deployment of hydrogen fuel cell trucks. These efforts, bolstered by collaborations with tech companies and infrastructure developers, signify a pivotal shift in the industry's approach to sustainable transport. As we navigate through the subsequent chapters, we will delve deeper into the specific endeavors of key players in the industry, exploring their visions, challenges, and the future prospects of hydrogen fuel cell technology in trucking. Principles of hydrogen fuel cells. Hydrogen fuel cells stand at the intersection of chemistry and engineering, converting chemical energy directly into electrical energy. They are not a source of energy in themselves but rather an energy conversion device, transforming hydrogen and oxygen into water and, in the process, producing electricity. Understanding the principles behind these cells is key to appreciating their potential impact on the automotive and trucking sectors. Basic functioning and mechanism. A hydrogen fuel cell operates much like a battery, comprising two electrodes, an anode, negative, and a cathode, positive, separated by an electrolyte. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of its operation. 1. Hydrogen supply. Hydrogen gas is introduced to the anode side of the cell. 2. Electrochemical reaction at the anode. At the anode, hydrogen molecules, H2, are split into two protons, H+, and two electrons, E, by a catalyst, typically made of platinum. 3. Flow of electrons. These electrons are then forced to travel through an external circuit, providing the electrical output of the cell, to reach the cathode side, as the electrolyte prevents direct electron travel across the cell. 4. Oxygen intake. Simultaneously, oxygen, from the air, is introduced to the cathode side. 5. Electrochemical reaction at the cathode. At the cathode, the arriving electrons, oxygen, and protons from the anode combine to produce water, H2O, which is released as a byproduct. 6. Electrolytes role. The electrolyte plays a crucial role, allowing only the protons to pass through from the anode to the cathode, ensuring the electrons take the longer route through the external circuit, thus producing electricity. The continuous supply of hydrogen to the anode and oxygen to the cathode ensures that the fuel cell keeps producing electricity as long as the fuel is available. Unlike batteries, which store and discharge electricity and need recharging, fuel cells can continuously generate electricity as long as they have fuel. Advantages over traditional fuel sources. Hydrogen fuel cells offer several compelling advantages over traditional energy sources, particularly for vehicular applications. 1. Zero emissions at point of use. The primary byproduct of hydrogen fuel cells is water vapor, making them a clean energy source that doesn't emit harmful pollutants or greenhouse gases during operation. 2. High energy density. Hydrogen has a high energy density by weight, which means vehicles powered by hydrogen fuel cells can achieve longer ranges compared to many battery electric vehicles. 3. Quick refueling. Refueling a hydrogen fuel cell vehicle, FCV, is similar to refueling a gasoline vehicle, taking just a few minutes. This is considerably faster than recharging most battery electric vehicles. 4. Less dependency on fossil fuels. Using hydrogen as fuel reduces dependency on oil and other fossil fuels. When hydrogen is sourced from renewable methods, such as water electrolysis powered by solar or wind, it presents a completely green fuel cycle. 5. Suitability for various applications. Due to their quick refueling and long-range capabilities, hydrogen fuel cells are particularly suitable for heavy-duty and long-haul applications, where battery electric solutions might fall short. 6. Thermal efficiency. Hydrogen fuel cells generally have a higher thermal efficiency compared to internal combustion engines, which means they can use a larger portion of the energy from the fuel they consume. While these advantages position hydrogen fuel cells as a promising solution for the future of transportation, it's essential to also consider the challenges associated with infrastructure, production, and storage to understand the complete picture. Nikola Motor Company. Company overview. Founded in 2014, Nikola Motor Company emerged as a potential game changer in the trucking industry. Their vision is centered on producing hydrogen fuel cell and battery electric trucks, along with a hydrogen refueling infrastructure. Hydrogen truck models and specifications. 1. Nikola 1 and 2, both are Class 8 heavy-duty trucks. The 1 offers a sleeper cab, while the 2 is designed as a day cab. 1. They feature an estimated range of up to 750 miles on hydrogen and can output a potential power of 1,000 horsepower. Current operations and future prospects. Nikola's roadmap includes the setup of hydrogen refueling stations across North America. Toyota. Background of Toyota's hydrogen initiatives. Toyota, a pioneer in hybrid technology with the Prius, has also shown interest in hydrogen fuel cells for decades. The launch of the Mirai sedan in 2014 demonstrated their commitment to hydrogen as a future energy source. Projects and collaborations. 1. Kenworth Partnership. Toyota has been collaborating with Kenworth to produce hydrogen fuel cell electric heavy-duty trucks, using the fuel cell technology from the Mirai. 2. Collaboration with Hino. Toyota and Hino, a subsidiary of Toyota, are jointly developing a heavy-duty hydrogen fuel cell truck, leveraging their experiences in hydrogen technology. Case study, Port of Los Angeles Initiative. Toyota and Kenworth introduced a project that deploys hydrogen fuel cell trucks for operations at the Port of Los Angeles, highlighting the potential for hydrogen trucks and reducing emissions in real-world settings. Hyundai. Hyundai's place in the hydrogen market. With the launch of the Nexo, a hydrogen fuel cell SUV, Hyundai has firmly established its footprint in the hydrogen market and is expanding its reach into commercial trucking with hydrogen power. The XCIENT fuel cell truck. Hyundai's XCIENT is one of the world's first mass-produced hydrogen-powered heavy-duty trucks. Features include 1. A range of around 400 kilometers on a single refuel. 2. 7 hydrogen tanks with a combined storage of 32.09 kilograms of hydrogen. 3. Dual 95 kilowatts fuel cell stacks producing a combined 190 kilowatts. Global expansion plans. Hyundai's hydrogen ambitions go beyond South Korea. They've begun shipments of the XCIENT to Switzerland and are exploring markets in Europe, North America, and China. Daimler Trucks. Company's commitment to hydrogen. Daimler, a giant in the trucking world, believes in hydrogen's role in creating a carbon-neutral transport system in the future and has announced plans to produce hydrogen-powered fuel cell trucks. Prototypes and trials. Daimler has showcased prototypes and concept vehicles, with ongoing real-world testing. Their system is modular, ensuring adaptability across different truck variants. Market reception and feedback. Daimler's hydrogen initiative has been met with interest and caution. The industry sees potential, but concerns about infrastructure and costs persist. Daimler remains optimistic, banking on evolving technology and infrastructure development to alleviate concerns. These companies, through their endeavors, are shaping the trajectory of the hydrogen trucking industry. Their innovations and plans will play a crucial role in the broader adoption of hydrogen as a viable fuel for heavy-duty transport. Collaborative ventures. Kenworth and Toyota partnership. This collaboration is among the most visible in the realm of hydrogen trucking. While Toyota provides the hydrogen fuel cell technology, Kenworth integrates it into their T680 trucks. Together, they've piloted projects at places like the Port of Los Angeles, showcasing how hydrogen-powered trucks can operate in real-world settings. Hino Trucks and Toyota collaboration. Both operating under the larger Toyota Group umbrella, Hino and Toyota have come together to explore the potential of hydrogen fuel cell technology in medium and heavy-duty truck applications. Leveraging Toyota's hydrogen expertise and Hino's trucking know-how, they aim to create efficient and environmentally friendly trucking solutions. The role of tech companies and startups. The hydrogen fuel cell domain isn't just the playground for big automakers. Startups and tech firms are entering the scene with innovations in fuel cell design, hydrogen storage, and more. Their agile approach and willingness to take risks can help fast-track hydrogen technology advancements and integration into commercial applications. Challenges and concerns. Infrastructure and refueling issues. One of the biggest challenges for hydrogen vehicles is the lack of widespread refueling infrastructure. Setting up hydrogen refueling stations is expensive and requires strategic placement to be effective. Environmental considerations. While hydrogen fuel cells emit only water, producing hydrogen can be carbon intensive, especially if derived from fossil fuels. Green hydrogen production, from sources like wind or solar, is more environmentally friendly but can be more expensive. Economic factors and cost. The high initial cost of hydrogen vehicles, coupled with the expense of setting up refueling stations and producing hydrogen, can deter investors and potential buyers. However, as technology progresses and economies of scale come into play, these costs are expected to drop. Conclusion. The road ahead for hydrogen trucks. The potential for hydrogen trucks is immense, with clear environmental benefits and the ability to meet long-haul, heavy-duty requirements. While challenges exist, collaboration between automakers, tech companies, and governments can pave the way for a hydrogen-fueled future. Market predictions for the next decade. Hydrogen trucks are likely to see increased adoption, especially in regions with supportive policies and infrastructure. As costs reduce and the urgency to combat climate change intensifies, the demand for clean transport alternatives will likely surge, with hydrogen playing a significant role in the mix. This provides a comprehensive view of the hydrogen trucking landscape, highlighting the players, collaborations, challenges, and the future outlook. In conclusion, the landscape of heavy trucking is undergoing a significant shift towards sustainability, with hydrogen fuel cells at the forefront of this transformation. We hope this overview has given you valuable insights into the industry's trajectory. For such topics and more insights and further details, visit renewationenergy.com. Thank you for joining us. Thank you for choosing renewationenergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at renewationenergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.